Welcome to the Servitization pricing course brought to you by EPP. In a business landscape where change is the only constant, companies are not just selling products, they're crafting experiences. A transformation is underway, one that redefines success not by units sold, but by the ongoing value delivered. Did you know that companies that have adopted servitization report a 30% increase in revenue from services alone? But what does this mean for you and your business? This course will show the transformative power of servitization. We will explore how you can apply these principles to your business, transforming products into comprehensive service solutions, and how pricing influences servitization. You'll learn how to go beyond traditional business models, foster continuous customer engagement, and unlock new revenue streams. By the end of this course, you will be able to define servitization, discuss different servitization theories, summarize how servitization transforms traditional manufacturing companies into service-oriented organizations, explain the importance of servitization, both for suppliers and customers, highlight the benefits of adopting servitization, identify the challenges involved in implementing servitization, state how companies can overcome challenges during the servitization process, describe various pricing models specific to servitization, compare pricing approaches, justify the need for robust systems to capture, verify, aggregate, and enrich service usage data. Explain how manufacturers can adapt their billing systems to accommodate outcome-based pricing metrics, and analyze some companies that have transitioned to a servitization pricing model. In the first section of this course, we will explore the fundamental concept of servitization for you to gain a clear understanding of what servitization involves, exploring its various aspects and implications for businesses. Moving forward, we'll explore different servitization theories. By doing this, it will be easier for you to understand how servitization transforms traditional manufacturing companies into service-oriented organizations. In the third section, we'll discuss why servitization matters to companies and organizations, considering both suppliers' and customers' perspectives, and emphasizing the benefits of adopting servitization. However, servitization isn't without its challenges. We'll address not only the practical difficulties involved in implementing servitization within an organization, but also strategies to overcome them in Section 4. The next section focuses on various pricing approaches specific to servitization. Unlike traditional product sales, these models focus on outcomes. On the sixth section of the course, we'll emphasize the need to capture, verify, aggregate, and enrich service usage data. Additionally, we'll explain how manufacturers can adapt their billing systems to accommodate outcome-based pricing metrics effectively. Finally, we'll explore real-world examples of successful servitization implementations. These case studies will illustrate the concepts discussed throughout the course, providing practical insights for participants.